Quantum key distribution, or QKD, represents a groundbreaking advancement in the field of secure communication. It leverages the principles of quantum mechanics to create a method of transmitting encryption keys that is virtually immune to eavesdropping. Unlike traditional methods of key exchange, which can be intercepted and decoded, QKD ensures that any attempt to eavesdrop is immediately detectable. This is achieved through the unique properties of quantum particles such as photons, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. As we delve deeper into this fascinating technology, we will explore how QKD operates, its significance in enhancing privacy, and its potential to revolutionize secure communications in our increasingly digital world. To understand QKD, it is essential to grasp some fundamental concepts of quantum mechanics. At the heart of quantum mechanics lies the principle of superposition, where particles can exist in multiple states at once. This means that a photon can represent both a 1 and a 0 simultaneously until it is measured. Another key principle is entanglement, where two particles become interconnected in such a way that the state of one instantly influences the state of the other, regardless of the distance separating them. These principles form the foundation of how QKD functions, allowing for the secure transmission of information. The act of measuring a quantum state inherently alters it, which is crucial for detecting eavesdropping. In a typical QKD process, two parties, often referred to as Alice and Bob, aim to share a secret key. They begin by sending quantum bits, or qubits, encoded in the polarization states of photons. For instance, Alice may send Bob photons polarized vertically or horizontally, representing binary values. If an eavesdropper, known as Eve, attempts to intercept these photons, the act of measuring them will disturb their quantum state. This disturbance can be detected by Alice and Bob through a process called basis reconciliation, where they compare a portion of their key to check for discrepancies. If any inconsistencies are found, they can conclude that eavesdropping has occurred and discard the compromised key. This unique feature of QKD makes it a powerful tool for maintaining privacy in communications. The ability of QKD to detect eavesdropping is one of its most significant advantages. Traditional encryption methods rely on mathematical complexity to secure information, but they can be vulnerable to advancements in computing power, such as those posed by quantum computers. In contrast, QKD's security is rooted in the laws of physics. When Eve attempts to intercept a quantum key, her presence alters the quantum states of the photons, leading to detectable anomalies. This ensures that Alice and Bob can trust their shared key, knowing that it has not been compromised. The implications of this capability extend beyond individual communications. They could reshape entire industries from banking to healthcare, where secure data transmission is paramount. QKD is not just a theoretical concept, it has practical applications in various sectors. Financial institutions are exploring QKD to secure transactions and protect sensitive customer information. In the realm of government and military communications, QKD can safeguard national security data against espionage. Additionally, telecommunications companies are beginning to implement QKD systems to enhance the security of their networks. As quantum technology continues to advance, the potential for QKD to become a standard in secure communications grows. The challenge lies in integrating this technology into existing infrastructures while ensuring efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Looking ahead, the future of quantum key distribution holds immense promise for enhancing privacy in an increasingly interconnected world. As cyber threats evolve, so too must our methods for securing information. QKD offers a proactive approach to privacy, ensuring that individuals and organizations can communicate securely without the fear of interception. However, challenges remain, including the need for robust infrastructure and widespread adoption. Researchers are actively working on improving QKD technology, making it more accessible and efficient. As we move toward a future where quantum computing becomes more prevalent, the integration of QKD could be pivotal in safeguarding our digital lives. If you find the concepts of quantum key distribution and its impact on privacy as fascinating as we do, consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated on the latest advancements in quantum technology and secure communications. Your support helps us continue to create informative content that explores the intersection of technology and privacy, ensuring you are well informed about the tools that protect your digital world. Quantum key distribution represents a significant leap forward in the quest for secure communication. By harnessing the principles of quantum mechanics, it offers a method of key exchange that not only enhances privacy, but also provides a robust defense against eavesdropping. As we continue to navigate the challenges of the digital age, technologies like QKD will play a crucial role in ensuring that our communications remain confidential and secure. The journey into the world of quantum computing is just beginning, and its potential to transform our understanding of privacy and security is truly exciting.